If you're a content creator, cinematographer, videographer, or podcaster, this is one equipment you need in your arsenal. I love the fact that Comica decided to come up with a quad set of microphones. I mean, I'm honestly dying to see what's in here. Okay, so we have a bag. Let's have a look at what's in the bag. So the bag has like two sectors, and let's see what's in there. So on the top, you have, this is interesting. You have two XLR cables that are actually joined to a TRS cable. As always, you have a manual. Okay, this is a pop shield. It's a pop shield. This is actually, hold on a minute. Let's have a look what's in here. Oh, this is a microphone. There's another microphone. Good, so there are 4 mics and we have 4 microphones. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a USB-C to USB cable. This is a TRS cable. This is a TRS cable. This is a horseshoe mount. So that's basically all we have in here. This is a windshield. Oh, this is so nice. So basically you can wear this on the microphone. Okay, let's see what's in the second section of the bag. Now, this is where we have the 4 microphones. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 transmitters, and you have 1 receiver. And that's basically all we have in the box, okay? And that's all we have for the Comica BoomX. I'll make another video where we actually talk about how to set up the entire microphones, but this is good. This is good.